What's up, everyone? John Brittinger from Techno Buffalo. Here it is Tuesday, and that means Giveaway Central. This week, we got something we've never given away. We've got an Asus MemoPad Smart. This 10.1-inch Tegra 3 rocking tablet can be yours. Let me tell you what you got to do to win. First, let me thank our friends and sponsors at NVIDIA for hooking us up with a pretty awesome prize. I love giving away something new that's fresh we've never given before. Be sure to check them out at NVIDIA.com, or better yet, download the Tegra Zone for your Tegra optimized tablets and phones. So what do you got to do to win this hot little MemoPad? We made it super easy. If you've watched any previous Tegra Tuesday videos, you already know what you got to do. So today is the 4th of June. Crazy, we're already in June. 1 week from today is the 11th of June. That's when this contest is going to end at 11:59 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Doesn't matter what time zone you're in, just convert over Pacific Standard Time. You can leave one comment per day, but not on YouTube. If you're watching on YouTube, hit the link down below and go over to the article on technobuffalo.com and leave your comments down below. Be sure to log in using Discus, using Facebook, Twitter, Google+. Just we have a way to contact you if you win. If you log in as anonymous, unfortunately, we don't know who you are. Again, one comment per day, and that's per calendar day Pacific Standard Time. Anybody in the world can enter and win this awesome prize. We've shipped stuff everywhere, all over this round globe we call Earth. So it doesn't matter, as long as you're just somewhere on the planet, you can win. Again, one comment per day, gonna end at 11:59 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on the 11th. Tell me anything you want in the comments, what your favorite sports team is, what you're wearing, what you had for lunch, what you wish you had for lunch, anything else that you want to say, and you will be entered to win. We'll pick the winner at random using random.org and send you off your prize. Hope you guys enjoy. Happy contesting.